in a world consumed by shadow.
Only the smallest lights dared to flicker. For Aura carried the last hope. Last hope! Fear gave him speed. But the fall was long.
Obsidian. The golem knew no bounds, only hunger.
A moment's refuge.
Point bought with borrowed time.
Beyond lay the silent wood.
Where life had long since surrendered.
Even the bravest spark can fade. The shadow's touch lingered everywhere.
A fragile path.
Over an endless dark.
From the depths, it reached.
Is quick.
He entered the field of the fallen.
And felt his own light dwindle.
Protecting the future.
Always watching. Run, little light. Run!
Faster now! Hungrier!
Into the bones of the old world.
There was no escape.
Cornered. The shadow falls. On all that remains.
But light remembers.
It pushes back.
Darkness fears the dawn.
Banished.
Victory at a cost.
The heartwood called. One last journey.
For the future.
Its nest awaited.
His task complete.
But life finds a way.
And remembers its guardian. Life shared is life returned.
Help! Takes flight.